Want to make your eyesight better? You might have trouble now and then trying to read signs or seeing things from a distance, but this is a common problem. The World Health Organization says that a lot of people, around 253 million, have trouble seeing properly. Glasses and contact lenses are one fix, but eating the right vitamins can also keep your eyes sharp. Let's take a look at the 6 best vitamins to help you see better. We'll tell you about foods like carrots and spinach that are good for your eyes. Your eyes might get weaker for different reasons, but a big one is just getting older. As we get older, the parts of our eyes that help us focus can get less flexible, especially when we're looking at something up close. This is a usual thing that happens as we get older. Refractive errors. When the eye shape does not bend light correctly, images aren't focused on the retina, making vision blurry. Nearsightedness, myopia, means you can't see far away. Farsightedness, hyperopia, means trouble seeing up close, and astigmatism causes overall blurred vision. Eye diseases. Problems like cataracts, cloudy lens, glaucoma, damage to the optic nerve, and macular degeneration, central vision loss, can harm eyesight. Without treatment, they could cause permanent vision loss. Eye injuries. Hurt to the eye from accidents or other trauma can damage its inner parts, which might lead to loss of vision or other eye troubles. Systemic health issues. Diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and multiple sclerosis can damage the eye's blood vessels and nerves, leading to vision problems. To find out which 6 vitamins may help your eyesight, keep watching. And remember, this is for learning purposes, so please talk to your doctor if you're worried about your health. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a very important nutrient that helps us see well and stay healthy. It can be found in many foods, and you can also take it as a pill if needed. Let's see why vitamin A is good for our eyes and body, why it's a good idea to eat foods that have a lot of it, and how to make sure you eat enough of it. This vitamin is very important for keeping the part of your eye called the retina working well. The retina helps us see and has 2 main kinds of cells called rods and cones. The rods help us see when it's dark or dim. The cones let us see colors and sharp details. For the rods to work, they need a protein named rhodopsin. Vitamin A helps make this protein. This is why we need vitamin A to help us see, especially when it's not very bright. Vitamin A is important for keeping the cornea, the clear covering at the front of your eye, healthy. The cornea helps stop dust and dirt from getting into your eye, and also focuses light on the back part of your eye. Without enough vitamin A, your cornea can get dry and rough, leading to a disease called xerophthalmia, which can harm the cornea and might even make you blind if it gets really bad. Eating foods with a lot of vitamin A is a great way to make sure you're getting this important vitamin. Some of the best foods for vitamin A are different kinds of liver, like from beef, chicken, or fish, cod liver oil. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel also have vitamin A. Egg yolks are another good choice. For dairy, you can look to milk, cheese, and yogurt for your vitamin A intake. Orange and yellow fruits and veggies, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, cantaloupe, and apricots have beta-carotene, which your body can turn into vitamin A. Leafy green veggies like spinach, kale, and collard greens have lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for your eyes too. Eating foods with vitamin A is not just good for your eyes. It helps your skin stay healthy, boosts your immune system, and is important for growth. Adults should get 700 to 900 micrograms of vitamin A daily for men, and 600 to 700 micrograms for women. But be careful not to take too much. The limit is 3,000 micrograms a day because too much can be harmful. To get enough vitamin A, you should eat different types of foods that have it. If you can't get enough from food, you might consider taking supplements. If you find these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up with our latest health and nutrition content. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid, can dissolve in water and is important for keeping your body healthy. It's famous for helping your immune system work better, so it can help prevent colds and other infections. Besides that, vitamin C is important for keeping your eyes healthy. Let's talk about what vitamin C is. It is an antioxidant, which means it can protect your body from tiny harmful particles called free radicals. Free radicals can hurt cells and are linked to aging and diseases. Vitamin C is also a key player in making collagen. Collagen is a protein that your body needs to keep your skin, bones, and other tissues, like tendons and ligaments, strong and healthy. Vitamin C also helps your body take in iron, which is another important nutrient that keeps you well. Vitamin C is really good for your eyes in a few ways. It can protect your eyes from things called free radicals, which might harm eye cells. This harm could lead to AMD, which stands for age-related macular degeneration. This is a common eye problem that might make you lose your sight. Vitamin C is also important because it helps your body make collagen. Collagen is a protein that keeps the front part of your eye in the right shape, so you can see clearly. Besides, vitamin C helps make neurotransmitters. These are special chemicals that send signals in our bodies, including signals to the muscles that control our eyes. Having these work right is really important for seeing well. Studies also tell us that vitamin C may lower the chance of getting cataracts. Cataracts make the lens of your eye cloudy, and that makes your vision blurry. So, taking enough vitamin C can help keep your eyes healthy. Research shows that vitamin C could be good for slowing down age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which often makes older people lose their sight. Our bodies can't make vitamin C, so we have to eat foods or take supplements that have it. Adults should have 65 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C each day, but some experts say we might need more. It's pretty easy to get enough vitamin C from what we eat. Here are some foods that have a lot of vitamin C. 1. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are full of vitamin C. A medium orange has about 70 milligrams, and a medium grapefruit has about 80 milligrams. 2. Berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries have a lot of vitamin C too. For example, a cup of strawberries has about 85 milligrams, while a cup of raspberries has about 30 milligrams. 3. Kiwi. A medium kiwi has around 70 milligrams of vitamin C. 4. Bell peppers. If you chop up a cup of red bell pepper, you'll get about 190 milligrams of vitamin C. A green one has less, about 120 milligrams in a cup. 5. Broccoli. A cup of chopped broccoli gives you about 80 milligrams of vitamin C. 6. Tomatoes. A medium tomato has about 25 milligrams of vitamin C. Vitamin C supplements are easy to find and a good option if you're worried about getting enough. But it's better to eat whole foods with vitamin C when you can. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a super strong nutrient that helps keep your body healthy. Just like oil and water don't mix, vitamin E likes to hang out in the fatty parts of your body. You can find this helpful vitamin in lots of different foods you eat. Your body really needs vitamin E for a bunch of things. It keeps your skin, hair, and nails looking good. It also guards your body like a superhero, helping your immune system fight off germs. Plus, it helps you see well and keeps your heart ticking nicely. So, what exactly is vitamin E? It's not just one thing. It's a team of 8 superhero helpers, 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols. The boss of the team is called alpha-tocopherol, and it's super good at its job. Vitamin E is like a shield. It's an antioxidant, which means it fights off sneaky little troublemakers in your body that can cause damage. You can get your vitamin E from foods like nuts, seeds, and green veggies. It's pretty important, so you've got to make sure you get enough of it to help your body stay strong and healthy. Vitamin E is in many foods. You can get it from nuts and seeds, some vegetables, and various fruits. Almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, sweet potatoes, avocados, butternut squash, broccoli, kiwi, mango, and papaya are all full of vitamin E. This vitamin is really important for keeping your eyes healthy. It does things like 1. Helps protect against a problem where older adults lose their central vision, age-related macular degeneration. 2. Lowers the chance of getting cataracts, which can make your sight cloudy. 3. Helps stop your eyes from getting too dry. 4. Keeps the blood vessels in your eyes healthy. 5. Helps you see better visual acuity. Adults should get 15 milligrams of vitamin E every day. But if you want to be extra healthy, some experts say you should take more. For people who might get eye diseases, the American Optometric Association suggests 400 to 800 international units of vitamin E each day. 4. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, also called riboflavin, is a very important nutrient that helps our bodies stay healthy. It's really good for making our eyesight better. So what exactly is vitamin B2? It's a type of vitamin that mixes into water, and our bodies need it to work right. It helps break down the food we eat like sugars, fats, and proteins to turn them into energy that we can use. Vitamin B2 also helps keep our skin, hair, and nails looking good. Plus, it's important for making red blood cells, which carry oxygen around our bodies. You can find vitamin B2 in many common foods like milk, eggs, meat, fish, and green veggies. It is also in things like vitamin pills and is often added to multivitamins. Vitamin B2 helps your eyesight in a few ways. 1. It keeps the cornea healthy. The cornea is the clear front part of your eye, and it needs to stay in good shape for you to see well. Vitamin B2 helps keep the tissues of the cornea strong and safe from harm from things like sunlight and pollution. 2. It helps stop cataracts. Cataracts make your vision blurry because they cloud the lens inside your eye. Vitamin B2 can help stop this from happening by protecting your eye's lens from damage that can happen over time. 3. It helps you see better at night. Vitamin B2 is important for making a protein called rhodopsin, which you need to see when it's dark. This protein is in part of your eye called the retina. Not having enough vitamin B2 can mean you don't see well in the dark, but getting enough of it can help with this. 4. Vitamin B2 helps with tired eyes. When our eyes get tired from too much use, which can make your head hurt, make your vision blurry, and cause your eyes to become dry, vitamin B2 can be really helpful. It helps create ATP, a molecule that provides energy to our bodies. More ATP means our eyes don't get as tired. 5. Vitamin B2 helps with dry eyes. Dry eyes happen when we don't have enough tears, or they dry up too fast, making our eyes dry, red, and uncomfortable. Vitamin B2 is good for dry eyes because it helps our eyes make more tears, and it can also help reduce eye redness and swelling. How much vitamin B2 for healthy eyes? The amount of vitamin B2 you need every day changes with your age, if you're a man or a woman, and other things. Here's a guide on how much vitamin B2 different people need. Kids aged 9 to 13 years need 0.9 milligrams a day. Guys 14 and older need 1.3 milligrams a day. Girls 14 and older need 1.1 milligrams a day. Pregnant women should get 1.4 milligrams a day. 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight. It's a really important nutrient that helps keep our bodies healthy in many ways. One of its main jobs is to help our bones stay strong. It does this by working with calcium in our bodies. Vitamin D is also good for our immune system, which is the part of the body that fights off germs and keeps us from getting sick. More than this, scientists have found that vitamin D might be good for our eyes too. They're studying how it might help stop certain eye problems as we get older. Here's how. 1. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, can make it harder for older people to see clearly. Studies suggest that having enough vitamin D could help protect against this condition. In one study, people with the most vitamin D in their system had a much lower chance, an impressive 60% less, of getting AMD compared to those with very little vitamin D. 2. Vitamin D might also lower the chances of getting cataracts. Cataracts can make your vision blurry or cloudy. Researchers found that people with more vitamin D are less likely to get cataracts than those who don't get enough of this nutrient. Glaucoma is an eye illness where eye pressure goes up and can harm the optic nerve, leading to possible vision loss. Vitamin D might be good for glaucoma care because it can lessen the chance of hurting the optic nerve. Research says people who don't have enough vitamin D might get glaucoma more often than people who have more of it. One study showed that people with very low vitamin D levels had more than double the risk of getting glaucoma compared to people with high vitamin D levels. Vitamin D could also help with eye inflammation, which can cause problems like dry eyes and other diseases. This vitamin helps control the immune system and cut down on inflammation in the body and eyes, which is good for eye health. To get more vitamin D, it's good to be in the sunshine because our skin can make vitamin D from it. But the ability to make vitamin D depends on things like the time, season, where you are on the planet, and skin color. If you don't get enough vitamin D from the sun, eating certain foods and taking supplements can help. Adults should get 600 to 800 IU of vitamin D each day. You can find vitamin D in foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and foods that have vitamin D added to them, like some milk, cereal, and orange juice. 6. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is really important for our bodies. It helps our bodies do a lot of things like making neurotransmitters. These are chemicals that let brain cells talk to each other. Making DNA. That's the blueprint inside our cells that tells them how to work and grow. Making red blood cells. These are the cells that carry oxygen all around our body. Keeping our immune system working. This helps us fight off germs. Keeping our skin and hair healthy. Now, vitamin B6 is especially good for our eyes. It helps keep them healthy and can help us keep seeing clearly as we get older. Vitamin B6 isn't saved up in our bodies, which is why we need to make sure we eat enough foods that have this vitamin or sometimes take supplements if we need to. Here's what vitamin B6 does. 1. Metabolism. It helps our bodies change food into energy to keep us going. 2. Brain health. It is important for making things like serotonin and dopamine that help control how we feel when we're hungry and when we sleep. 3. Immune system. It helps make white blood cells that fight off illnesses. 4. Red blood cell production. These cells carry oxygen and vitamin B6 helps make them. 5. Skin health. It keeps our skin from having problems like eczema and flaky scalp. 6. Eye health. It helps our eyes stay in good shape. For our eyesight, vitamin B6 helps protect our eyes, especially as we get older, from diseases that can make it harder to see. Vitamin B6 can help keep our eyes healthy in several ways. 1. Preventing eye diseases. Vitamin B6 can help guard against certain eye issues that come with aging, like cataracts, and a condition called macular degeneration. This condition slowly makes it tougher to see things clearly, which can make everyday activities like reading, driving, or seeing faces hard. 2. Keeping eyes moist. It's important for making tears, which keep our eyes from getting too dry. When people don't have enough tears, their eyes can feel scratchy and uncomfortable. Some research suggests that getting more vitamin B6 can help people make more tears. 3. Lowering swelling in the eyes. Our bodies create swelling as a reaction to harm or sickness. But if there's too much swelling for too long, it can hurt our eyes, leading to issues like uveitis, eye inflammation, and retinitis, inflammation of the retina. Vitamin B6 might help reduce this swelling. 4. Protecting the retina. The retina is a part of the eye that's crucial for seeing. It captures light and sends the information to our brain. If the retina gets damaged, we could lose our sight. Vitamin B6 could help keep the retina safe from harm caused by oxidative stress, which is damage from harmful molecules in our body. 5. Managing a substance in the blood. There's a substance called homocysteine that our bodies make naturally. If we have too much of it in our blood, it might increase the risk of health problems like heart disease and stroke. Vitamin B6 helps control the amount of homocysteine in our blood. Vitamin B6 is important because it controls the level of a substance called homocysteine in your blood. Keeping homocysteine at the right level is good for your health. Researchers found out that taking extra vitamin B6 can lower homocysteine, whether you have normal vision or a sight problem called age-related macular degeneration. To make sure you get enough vitamin B6, adults should try to have about 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams a day. You can find vitamin B6 in lots of foods like 1. Chicken and turkey breast. 2. Fish such as tuna and salmon. 3. Bananas. 4. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. 5. Spinach and similar green vegetables. 6. Pistachio nuts. 7. Breakfast cereals that have added vitamins. Although many people can get the vitamin B6 they need by eating these foods, some might need to take extra vitamin B6 in a supplement, especially if their doctor recommends it. Thanks for checking out our video on the 6 best vitamins for better eyesight. Adding these vitamins to what you eat can help keep your eyes healthy and avoid future problems with seeing. Before you start any new vitamin supplements or make big changes to what you eat, please talk to your doctor. Eating a variety of healthy foods is important for keeping your eyes and the rest of your body feeling great. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips about staying healthy. Thanks once more for watching.